Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville 2 YouTube channel. For this video, we are back on Tinkercad, messing around with creating some objects, and I wanted to talk about grouping objects. Now, I've only been using Tinkercad for like a week or two, so I'm by no means an expert, but I thought as I learn stuff as I go, I'll share it. Maybe it helps someone else down the line. So, with grouping objects, it serves two purposes. It puts them together so they will move around together, but it also joins them in the printing process and will give it extra strength. So that's the function of grouping. Now to group things, you just select whatever you want to group. You can drag it here, and this button groups and this button ungroups. So you can see if I hit the ungroup button, now you can see all the individual shapes that it took to create this object. And you can either highlight the whole thing to group it again, and you can see there's our line right there on the one side, or let's ungroup it. You can select individual pieces, select a piece, hit shift, select another piece, and then you could just group those two shapes if you wanted. So our problem here is that it's not lining up perfectly. That's why we're getting this extra line right here. Something in the design is not right, and it really helps to zoom in to figure out what the problem is. And that's why I already fixed this side. I figured out what it was, but I just thought it'd be useful to do a video. When you zoom in, you can obviously get a closer look at things. And if we look over here, if you look at this plane, there's a very tiny step up. This square going along where this line is just a little bit higher than this plane there. If we get it just right, you can see how this line jogs up a little bit, and that causes this problem. So what I actually had was I was 0.1 millimeters too high with this object, so we need to move it down. So to fix that, we're going to highlight the whole thing. We're going to ungroup it. The difficult part is making sure you select the right objects. I need to select all three of these because I want them to move in unison. So we need this skinny box. Make sure we get the right thing. Looks like that's right. Then hold shift. I need this box here. Hold shift. I need that box there. And then as we go down here, we want to be at 0, so we can just go over here, click, oops, 0, and my problem was we were just 1/10 of a millimeter off the base plane there. Of course this whole thing is off because I copied it from another design, but and then we group it all together, and yeah, we still have that problem because it came from that other design. That's what you get for copying and pasting from something else. Alright, so we need to move this down to the ground. And ungroup. Now select this guy. Select this guy. Select this guy. They all move together. I don't have the right one. Selecting the big box. There's the skinny. Now I got my 3 correct objects. And this needs to go. And now we can group them all together. And you can see the line is gone. Sorry, I messed that whole thing up by not having this object all the way flat on the plane. But the main point is your objects aren't syncing together correctly. They're not lined up somewhere, and you really just have to figure out what it is. So I hope that helps you a little bit with Tinkercad. Should give the video a like, subscribe for our subscriber. We'll be doing some more 3D print stuff over here, some more Tinkercad videos, and I'll show you the stuff that I'm making. Everything that I do make will be uploaded to Thingiverse, so it's free for anyone who wants to make one for themselves. Thanks for watching, guys.